friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making brown rice fried rice. For this easy recipe, we need cooked brown rice. So here's about 3 cups of cooked brown rice. We need some minced garlic. This is 2 cloves of garlic minced. I have green peas and diced carrots. I'm just using them frozen. Of course, you can use fresh. These will be vegetables to add to the rice, and you can also use different vegetables. We have soy sauce and eggs. So I'm going to start by cooking these green peas and carrots. You can cook them in a microwave, you can just defrost them, or you can cook them straight in the frying pan from frozen. You don't really have to defrost them, you can just cook them here. So I'm going to open them and put them in a frying pan. It's a non-stick pan, so I don't really need oil to cook them, but feel free to add oil if your pan is different. So here's 12 ounces, and you can use less vegetables if you want more rice versus vegetables, but I like it when there's a lot, so I'm just going to use the whole pan. I'm going to turn the heat on high, and just we're going to cook them, mixing every minute until they're fully defrosted and tender enough to your liking, and then we're going to add the rice. So now these vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes. So they're fully defrosted and they're tender. So you just basically try them and cook them until they're tender. And at this point, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So here in the middle, I'll make some room, and I'm going to add oil. So because this is fried rice, to flavor it, we're using oil. So I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil, including olive oil if you'd like. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add garlic here in the middle to the oil. So, and just cook it for a few seconds so oil is flavored with garlic. So once you start smelling it, it's time to now add rice. So add cooked brown rice, and it's cold, straight from the refrigerator. So it's a great way to use rice leftovers. It's great for fried rice. And now I will mix it until combined with oil, garlic, and vegetables. And next I'm going to add the eggs. So I'm going to make some room here in the middle for the eggs. And I'm going to crack 2 eggs in the middle and then scramble them together with the rice. So here's 2 eggs, and now I'm going to mix it with the rice. And as it's being mixed, it will also cook. I'll turn the heat up to high. I think I reduced it to medium high at one point when I was cooking vegetables, but now the heat is on high. this will take about 2 minutes or so. So cook it until there's no more raw egg, until egg is fully cooked throughout. So you need to keep mixing and it will cook. So now it looks like the egg is cooked, and also it will be cooking it for a few more minutes later. So this should be good enough here to make sure the egg is cooked. And I'm going to add soy sauce. And I'll use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you can do it to taste, you know, less or more, totally up to you. And again, mix it. And now you can try it and see if it's salty enough to your liking, and that means it's enough soy sauce. But if you'd like more, you know, soy, then just add more. And also, if you're watching your sodium, you can use low sodium soy sauce. It's also great in this fried rice. And that's pretty much it. Super easy. And now this brown rice fried rice is ready. So now let's turn off the heat. And I'm trying this brown rice. It looks amazing, and it was super easy to make. So let me just take it off the frying pan. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love fried rice. It tastes amazing. So good, and it's super easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!